Bore da pawb, a chroeso I sesiwn mawrth y cyntaf. Dydd gwrdd ewi hapus I chi. Hello everyone, welcome to another Ffit Yn 5 session. March the 1st, happy St David's Day to you all. A ydyn ni'n barod am sesiwn newydd? Are we ready for a new session? Chi'n cofio rheolau erbyn nawr. Digon o lle, enough space around. Cofiwch bod botel dŵr neu diod addas gyda chi. Remember, you've got your drinks bottle, plenty of space. A chi'n cofio oedd eisiau dod naill ai cennin, neu os dyn cennin I gael da fi, mae cennin peder gyda fi. If you don't have your leek ready, a daffodil is good as well. So cofiwch hwnna. Rwy'n ein munud bach I chi, a chi'n nag chi'n cofio y cennin. I'll give you a little minute if you haven't got your leek. Don't worry if you don't have one. It's dim rhaid cael un I wneud y gweithgarau. You don't have to have one to do these exercises. Just bach o game here, okay? So eto, newch siwr, dillad addas, digon o lle a botel o dŵr gyda ni. Neu siwr bod y cloc yn gweithio. Odi? Right, a 5 gweithgaredd heddi. 5 exercises today. Rhif 1, night CRN. Ni'n neud hynna o blaen. Rhif 2, morio gwirion. The silly sailors. Do you remember them from before? Na dangos I chi wedyn. Rhif 3, croesi coesau, crossovers. So we'n lawr a llawr yn gweithio y cyhyrau bola, working our tummy muscles. Rhif 4, breichiau sisiwn, arm scissors. Chi'n cofio hynna, neu hynna o blaen. A rhif 5, squat a codi, the squat and lift, okay? So, odi pawb yn barod. Ni'n mynd dechrau twymo lan. So, yn canol yn lle, in the middle of our spot, ni'n dechrau jogo ar y smotyn. Okay? So, in the middle, start jogging on the spot. You remember the rules by now? Feet have got to come off the floor. Arms have got to move. Rhaid y coesau dod off y llawr. Rhaid bod y breichiau yn symud. Off yn I da iawn. Tywydd yn braf heddi. Pwy sy'n mynd mas ar ôl gwneud sesiwn Ffit Yn 5. A welwch chi sesiwn dydd Gwener. Oedd rhywun newydd yn gweithio I Ceredigion Active. We had a new worker on Friday for Ceredigion Active. So if you haven't seen the video, the Batman wedi dod mas I helpu ni. Batman came in to help the team out on Friday. So os chi heb gweld y fideo, cewch nôl I YouTube, cewch nôl I Facebook I weld Batman yn gweithio. If you haven't seen, Batman helped us on Friday, so if you haven't seen that video, it's on Facebook and it's on YouTube. Go back and have a look. Okay, ni'n mynd codi'r penniau. Lifting our knees up. Dechrau off the march, we'll start with the march, a wedyn ni'n mynd I cyflymu. Then we'll speed it up. Da iawn. Tri, 2, 1. Ni'n mynd I codi'r heels nesaf, codi'r sodle. Ready? We're going to lift our heels. 3, 2, 1. Off yn ni. Tri, 2, 1. Da iawn. Nôl I chydig ar smotyn. A traman in dyrnu awe. We're going to go back to running on the spot. And we're going to put some little air punches in as well. Cyfarod, off yn ni. Cyflymu. Faster, go. Ato, faster again. Last one, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. Right, cymwch bach o diod. Ni'n barod am y 5 gweithgaredd. Rhif 1, night zero. Number 1, star jumps. Pawb yn cofio sut I wneud nhw? A cloc yn dechrau. 5 beiliad. So sharp mewn. A mas. Mewn. A mas. In. Out. Da iawn. Da iawn chi. 5 beiliad I fynd. 5 seconds. A break bach. Yr un peth nesaf. Next thing. Same again. And if you want to go a bit faster. Okay, so come on, mynd bach mwy gyflym. 5 beiliad I fynd. Pawb yn barod. 3, 2, 1. So dechrau cael y rhythm. Start with that nice rhythm. And we can speed it up. Pwy sy'n gallu mynd mwy gyflym? Who can go a little bit faster? Da iawn. Dig eiliad I fynd. 10 seconds. Cadw ffynt. Da iawn chi. 2, 1, a gorffwys fyna. Da iawn. 30 eiliad. Cymwch di o'n mas chi moyn. A un nesa, if more o gwerthu on the silly sailors. So dwylo a'r hips fyna. Okay, you keep going try mas. Or in all. Okay, but that's slow. That's how we start it, nice and slow. A wedyn, ni'n cyflymu, we speed it up, okay? Pawb yn barod, 5 eiliad. 3, 2, 1. So dwylo fyna, dechrau'n slow. Start nice and slow. And when we've got the rhythm, then you dechrau codi'r gyflymder. When we've got the rhythm, we can speed up. Da iawn chi. Now, sure bod y trial yn cico mas. Make sure you kick your legs out. 5 eiliad ar ôl. 3, 2, 1. Goffwys. Cofiwch, cymryd bach o diod mlaen. Yr un peth eto. Same thing again. Remember that rhythm. Okay? Dwylo fyna. Hands on your hips. 3, 2, 1. Going straight now. Can you remember the rhythm and go straight in? Da iawn chi. Hanner ffordd trwyddo. Cadw ffynt. More than halfway. Well done. Make sure the legs still kick out. 3, 2, 1. A gorffwys fyna. Da iawn. Cymwch diod mlaen. Gweithgaredd rhif 3. Number 3. Croesi coesau, the leg crossovers. So we're going to lower our mat, down to the floor. Okay? Coesau lan. And you switch on adjusto. We're going to switch them over in the air, okay? Pawb yn hapus gyda hwnna. 5 eiliad, pawb lawr y mat. Everyone down to the floor. 3, 2, 1. Off ni. So dechrau fel hyn. Justo, okay? We're just switching our legs over. Galed fan hyn. So mae'n neud yn uchel. Bach mwy haws. A bit easier if we do it a bit higher. But if you want it a bit harder, ni'n mynd nôl lawr. Mae fe'n galed fan hyn. Okay? 5 eiliad ar ôl. 3, 2, 1. A gorffwys. Is still on? Sefwch ar y mat. Stay on the floor. Yr un peth eto. Okay, pawb yn barod. 5 eiliad. Lawr ni. 3, 2, 1. Off ni. So dechrau yn y canol. A croesi drosto. Felly wneud 10 eiliad yn galed. 10 eiliad lan. So bach mwy haws. 10 seconds in the middle. Then 10 seconds going a bit higher. It's a bit easier. A wedyn nôl lawr y canol, 10 eiliad fan hyn. 10 seconds back in the middle where it's a bit harder. 3, 2, 1. Lan chi. Da iawn. Cofiwch cymryd diod mlaen. Ymlaen I gweithgaredd rhif 4. On to number 4. Remember your drink. Rhif 4. Breichiau sisrwn. Arm scissors. So tebyg iawn. Breichiau yn dod mas. Iawn. And you switch your breichiau drosto, okay? Very similar to what we've just done with our legs, but this time we're doing it with our arms. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. So breichiau mas. Da iawn. So mae llaw dde mynd ar y top, wedyn y llaw chwith. So the right arm's on top, then the left arm. Nid siŵr bod breichiau syth. Make sure you've got nice straight arms. Bod chi'n mestyn mas, you're reaching out, okay? 10 eiliad I fynd, da iawn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, a gorffwys. Siglo bach off. Tro ma, this time ni dechrau mas fan hyn. Okay? Ni'n mynd reit mas cyn bod ni switcho drosto. We're going right out wide before we switch them over, okay? 3, 2, 1, mas. Cofiwch bod ni'n switcho dwylo drosto. Remember that we're switching our arms over. So llaw dde ar gwaelod, llaw dde ar top. Right hand on the bottom, right hand on the top. A mestyn mas. Really reach out to the side and to the front. Da iawn. 5 eiliad I fynd. 3, 2, 1, a cymwch gorffwys yna. Cymwch siglo, squeeze off, shake your shoulders off. Reit de, gweithgaredd ola. Os ych chi wedi cael cennin neu cennin pedr. Cym cennin pedr ond, cennin Steve yw cennin fi yw Okay, ni'n mynd dechrau esgus bod yn tyfu ar llaw dal. Ni'n mynd squato lawr, codi fe lan i'r awyr. Nôl lawr, i'r llaw, codi fe lan i'r awyr. Okay? Ni'n gweithio gyda unrhyw object. It'll work with any object. Off our knees. So squat lawr, lan i'r awyr. Squat lawr, lan i'r awyr. Squat down as if we're going to pick the leek or the daffodil up to the sky. Okay, squat down, up to the sky. Okay, esgus bod ni'n nôl yn y gardd, codi fe. We can pretend we're planting the daffodil, then we're picking the daffodil. Da iawn. Okay, bydd hwn yn gweithio gyda unrhyw object. Cymwch gorffwys fyna. 1 session o 30 eiliad ar ôl. 1 session to go. Okay, so dim ots if a cennin neu cennin pedr, neu unrhyw object arall. Any object will work, doesn't have to be a leek or a daffodil. 3, 2, 1, law, squat, tynnu fe, lan. Plannu fe nôl yn y gardd, tynnu fe, lan. Okay, so we're going to plant it in the garden, pick it up. Plant it in the garden, pick and up. Da iawn chi. Pump eiliad I fynd. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1, a gorffwys. Da iawn chi. Dwi'n rhoi Cennin Steve nôl fyna. I'm going to put Steve's daffodil back on the side. Cofiwch cael diod bach. A ni dechrau. Dechrau cwlo lawr. We're going to start the cool down. So I'm going to cerdded round. Just tam y bach. Sy'n sefydeg, no need to run. Cerdded o gwmpas. Be mae'r calon yn gweud heddi. 1:33, 1:33 BPM. Dangos bod fi'n gweithio'n galed. Cerdded o gwmpas, 1 lap arall, 1 more lap. Da iawn chi. A nôl i'r canol, back to the middle, okay? Chi'n cofio sy'n mynd i digwydd nesaf? Ni'n mynd stretcho gwddwg off. Gwddwg yn mynd un ochr. A dim ysgwyd yn dod lan, gwddwg yn mynd lawr. 3, 2, 1. Half arall, the other side. Again, make sure our neck goes down, not our shoulder comes up. Neck goes down. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn. Lawr i'r breichiau. Okay? So ni'n rhoi llaw tu ôl pen. A gyda llaw arall, mestyn ar elbow. Reach it over and touch the elbow. So one hand behind your back. And the other hand on top of the elbow. 3, 2, 1. Siglo. Far arall, other hand. So tu ôl cyfen. Llaw ar top. A dalwch i fyna. One hand behind your back, other hand on the elbow, and just hold there. 3, 2, 1. Siglo off. Da iawn. Lawr i'r bola now. So, seat, nice and upright. And we twist i'r ochr. Chi'n teimlo fe lawr fan hyn. You should feel it all down this side. 3, 2, 1. And you switch your adjuster. 3, 2, 1. Lan y ni, da iawn. Gorffen off gyda'r coesau. Finish off with the legs. Tia, hedio squid about shoulder width apart. Ni'n mynd lawr, twtio'r llawr, heb plygu pen ni. Don't bend your knees, see how far you can go, a dyle bod chi'n teimlo fe tu ôl coesau chi fan hyn. Okay, don't bend the knees, see how far you can go, and you should feel it stretching those leg muscles out. 3, 2, 1, lan y ni. Siglo, shake them off. Arms and legs, sbreichiau a dwylo, da iawn chi. Wel, gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau. Cofiwch gwasgu'r thumbs up os chi'n mynd gwylio ar Facebook neu YouTube. Remember that thumbs up button is really important so we know who's watching where. Iawn, diolch yn ymuno, cofiwch. Os ydych chi wedi codi cennin pedr, neu chi'n dod â cennin o'r gegin i rhoi yn ôl. Remember to put your daffodil or your leek back where you found it. A bydd y sesiwn arall yn dechrau ym hanner awr wedi 9 bore fory. Another session, 9:30 tomorrow morning. Diolch yn fawr am ymuno. Thank you for joining. A welwn i chi cyn bo hir. Hwyl fawr!